Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the process of simulating human intelligence and task performance with computers. It involves creating algorithms that can learn and adapt over time. Tasks may include recognizing patterns, making decisions, and experiential learning. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. AI is used in many industries driven by technology, revolutionizing the way we work and live. Some examples of industries are healthcare, finance, transportation, and so on. AI's impact is vast and continues to grow. Every time you shop online, search for information on Google, or watch a show on your streaming platform, you interact with a form of AI. The applications of AI are everywhere and will only continue to grow. AI is quickly impacting jobs. Learning AI can help you understand how technology can improve our lives through products and services. There are also plenty of job opportunities in this field, should you choose to pursue it. The demand for skilled professionals in AI is rapidly increasing, making it a lucrative career choice. AI engineers earn a median salary of $136,620 a year, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. This high earning potential reflects the specialized skills and expertise required in this cutting-edge field. Professionals in this field can expect the number of jobs to grow by 23% over the next decade. This growth is driven by the increasing integration of AI technologies across various industries, from healthcare to finance. Learning AI is increasingly important in today's fast-paced world, because it is a revolutionary technology that is transforming the way we live, work, and communicate with each other on a daily basis. Learning AI doesn't have to be difficult or intimidating, but it does require a basic understanding of math and statistics to grasp the fundamental concepts. Besides being a lucrative career path, it is a fast-growing field and an intellectually stimulating discipline to learn. There's a lot of growth in the AI world. Like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're new to the AI world and would like to learn more.